How's it going, folks? Here with me, I have,
Finn Kelly.
And Noah Crompton.
and I'm Robert Graves.
We're going to be talking about our experiment, what experiment we're doing, and how it works.
What is our experiment?
We are taking a piece of steel wool and we're going to put it in some vinegar and wait a couple days to see the reaction.
About 2 days. So a really simple example is the general equation using AD. So A plus B equals AB. The clues for recognizing the reaction type: two or more substances form to make one product.
The reaction that's happening now is 4 iron is reacting with 3 oxygen, and that yields 2 iron oxide 3.
Alright, so today we are going to be performing the experiment. So, Noah?
Here we have some steel wool, as you can see. Next we're going to put it in here to the speaker.
And then we'll use this vinegar.
Pour this vinegar to pour it in. Slowly
How
and
much
carefully.
vinegar do we need, Noah?
Just enough to...
Steel wool is mostly made of iron. Vinegar contains a weak acid called acetic acid. When the steel wool sits in the vinegar, the acid removes a protective coating from the metal. Once that coating is gone, the iron reacts with oxygen in the air. It secretes iron oxide, better known as rust. You may notice the steel wool changing color, heating up slightly, or become rusty over time. This shows a chemical reaction is taking place. So vinegar helps expose the iron and oxygen, causing the rusting reaction.
That will start rapidly rusting it.
Several days later.
Okay, so it has currently been 2 days since we've put the steel wool in the vinegar, and now we are going to pour it out now. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Bring it to the camera. Maybe put the towel like
So what's going to start happening now?
it's on.
What's
yep.
going to start happening now is it's going to start rapidly rusting, and that's when the reaction starts.
So right now the steel wool is beginning to rust because of the vinegar. Yeah, the camera quality sucks.
It's going to take a little longer.
So why is this happening?
Well, the vinegar stripped off the layers from the steel wool, and then after we left it in for a while and then took it out of the vinegar, the oxygen is starting to react with the iron in the steel wool, and that's what's creating the iron 2 and oxygen 3.
Thank you, Noah. Okay, so you may be wondering why we're wearing goggles during this experiment. Finn?
Because if this gets on you, it can include eye and skin irritation. It can really burn your eyes. Maybe called blindness. And it really burns. So
Yeah,
don't try
you don't
this.
want that. Alright, so for the pros and cons of this experiment, for the pros, you get highly visible results, and for the cons, it's time consuming because it took about 2 days
2 days.
for this experiment to work.
And the actual experiment takes maybe 30 minutes to an hour to actually fully go through.